Hey, it's K.Dot here with iWeave. Today I'm actually going to review this hair. It's so beautiful. It's called the Collection Hair Premium Quality Catalog. They send you a beautiful catalog with the hair that actually shows you all the different types of hair that they actually supply. It gives you about the hair. It tells you the different collections that they have, all the different things that they offer, and they actually offer a whole lot, you guys. They have all these different bundles, these different wigs, 360 wigs, full lace wigs, closures, frontals. They even have braiding hair, which is super amazing in every single color. So I'm super impressed with this catalog. I'm super impressed with this brand. This is my third week wearing the hair. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. Okay, this is a curly front lace wig, 22 inches from one of our potential vendors. This is them, the Collection Premium Quality Hair. It feels pretty good. I've been kind of messing with it. Look at the inside. It's a front lace, so that means only the front perimeter is a lace front, and then the back is a constructive wig with tracks. But it's beautifully made. Okay, so I'm going to start by protecting my lace because I'm going dark, and sometimes, you know, we get a little sloppy and you kind of mess up and get the color on the lace. So what I did was I went in with the Got2b glue. Just kind of used the brush. I could use the head to smooth it out, put a lot on there, and I just kind of smooth it all around so it kind of goes all over the lace. So that it will act as a protective shield, so then when I rinse the color off, it kind of rinse off with it. You still try your best not to get it on there because sometimes, you know, I mean, miss a spot or just still seep through that seal. So you don't want to be sloppy with your color either way. This is my third week, you guys, and I mean third week as in I've taken the wig completely off, putting it back on, shampooed it, conditioned it, and reapply. So this is my third apply with this wig, you guys, and as you can see, it's still laying down really well. The lace didn't stretch much at all. The hair came in a natural brown color, so I did go ahead and added a few highlights and lowlights in there just to give the hair a little dimension. You know, I don't like one solid color hair. And from what I see, the hair feels really soft still. It took the color really well. Most curly hair, when you color it, you have to be concerned about, you know, the hair losing its integrity. Not a problem at all. I didn't even have one bit of concern. It didn't shed at all. The hair feels really, really, really soft. And like I said, this is the natural curl that it came with. This is just me shampooing it, conditioning it. I put it in 2 braids to let it dry, and this is me letting it out. So it feels really amazing. I'm able to do a few different styles. I can part along the whole front of the lace because it's a front lace. The back is made with the tracks because it's just a front lace wig, but I'm still able to get the versatility as if it was a full lace wig. So I absolutely love it. You guys check them out. I'm gonna put the link below so you guys can actually get the hair, and tell me what you think. When you get it, let me know. And I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna wear it a few more weeks and then I'll let you know how it feels. But like I said, this is the third week, no shedding, no tangling. The hair feels amazing. So you guys definitely go check out the collection. iWeave. Do you?